Kev, what's wrong?
What?
What's wrong?
Like my tent blew away because Mum kicked me out again. Oh, that's fucking sick. I'm gonna go climb on it. No, I'm not gonna climb on it. I didn't know it could fall down. I thought they had holes in them to stop them falling down like the towers in New York in September the 11th, 2001. This man was best pilot ever. Just like my dick. It's not better off than a brick. And I'll take you away. It's like a government conspiracy when trees fall down.
How do you mean, Kev?
It looks like trees have metal poles in them to stop them falling over like the towers in New York on September 11th, 2001.
Kev, they don't. They're just trees. They fall over.
And what keeps them up?
I don't know. Roots keep them up.
Show me what roots are. Let's have an educational Kev episode. See, it is metal. It's not like tree. Look, they just like paint the metal to look like a tree.
Kev, then why is it breaking off?
Because it's like rusty metal.
Could you point
It's
to
like
the
the
rust?
government like. That's a good glory up. Yeah, look. Like the government like blow up trees.
Kev, they don't.
And the Arabs do.
When did you get so woke?
We saw like smoked marijuana. And I did like 400 mushrooms. And I did DMT, LSD, ABC.
Kev, I don't think ABC is a drug.
Yeah, it is. It's like the one they like teach you about in school. It's like A, B, 3, A, B, F, K. I like trying to fly like Spider-Man. Because I saw like a Spider-Man film like last Monday. I'm going to try and fly. Everything is metal. It's a government conspiracy. See, this is metal. That's not metal. That's like plastic. That's not metal. That stuff is like plastic. This here is like metal. This is metal.
Kev, that wire's an electric cable.
Oh, it is. Oh, this is like metal because it's like a tree. Or it's like it's got a plastic outer shell.
Kev, have you ever played Minecraft?
With like carbon fibre and stuff. Like Kevlar and like Terraria and stuff.
Kev.
And then it's like got metal poles in it. Then like the Arabs come and blow them up.
Kev, have you ever played Minecraft before?
Is that like the game where you like have sex and stuff?
No, Kev. That's just what you and Doug do. Remember you asked us to hide them files?
Stop recording. Yeah. So like, I'm gonna try and fly.